PC electric heating products, with its unique core technology, it shows significant advantages in many heating solutions. Firstly, the safe dynamics. PTC elements have self-limiting temperature. When the temperature reaches the set threshold, the resistance increases sharply, automatically reduce power or even stop heating. It avoids the risk of high temperature, causing fires and burns and other risks. No additional complex temperature protection devices required. It is suitable for environments with high safety requirements. Fourthly, it has high thermal efficiency. PC materials have low and high heat transfer. It can quickly convert energy after electrified. It can reach the preset temperature in a short time, reducing energy loss during the preheating process. Secondly, the power regulation feature can be dynamically adapted to output while maintaining a stable temperature, avoiding energy waste. It can significantly reduce energy consumption costs, especially suitable for air conditioning and other continuous running scenarios. Please contact me if you need it.